Generally speaking, there are lots of opportunities to work in English language teaching as a teacher, as a trainer, as an educator, materials design. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Tony Capstick. I'm the MA Programme Director for the MA in TESOL and the MA in Applied Linguistics at the University of Reading. One job opportunity is definitely with organisations like the British Council that opens up opportunities for employment, short-term employment, such as being a student ambassador or helping at conferences in London and conferences in Vietnam. So Thu Anh Phạm is going to be working at a conference in a couple of weeks from now, and that's all come through her collaborations with the British Council. Generally speaking, there are lots of opportunities to work in English language teaching as a teacher, as a trainer, as an educator, materials design. We see that our graduates also go into lots of other professions such as publishing and media. If you're able to accept your unconditional offer with us by the 1st of June in the year that you're starting your studies, then you are able to take advantage of a 10% fee reduction, a 10% discount on your fees for that year. And yes, ISC is a fantastic partner of ours in Vietnam. Please make your application with them. Good to be talking to you today and hope to see you in Reading. Goodbye.
Hi, hello, my name is Thu Anh. I am the alumnus at Reading University. My major was MA Applied Linguistics. So studying at Reading, then you have strong academic support from all of the staff. You have a big alumni community which will help you grow after you graduate. Living at Reading, you have the chance to find jobs in London and Oxford. You still can live in Reading, but you can find your professional development where else. Before that I came to the UK, I got offered a 10% scholarship from the University of Reading. If you want to receive the same kind of scholarship, please apply early and contact ISC for more information and support and guidance in order to receive that scholarship.
See you in Reading.
ISC Education, đại diện tuyển sinh chính thức của hầu hết các trường đại học UK. Liên hệ ngay ISC Education để nhận tư vấn trực tiếp từ các chuyên gia và săn các gói học bổng lên đến 100%. Đăng ký ngay!